Welcome to Hiker Grove. Today we are doing something a bit different. We are in Iceland and we're going on a hike up a volcano. So I don't know if I'll be doing much talking on the way up, but I will make sure I film all the good bits and try not to get blown up in the process. There's Iceland. There's an Icelandic bus. And now we gotta go get the lift. Just on our way to the lift, because we've got to wait for the bus down at the bottom in the reception. It's quite a technical part. So now we're in a lift. Joe's checking the makeup.
No, it was the pastry crumbs.
I've just got pastry crumbs. A little bit of pastry crumb. Yeah, I'm tired. It never gets dark in Iceland, which is good. Isn't it?
In this month.
Obviously that's the door I thought was going to open, but we're going to go this way instead. Now on the minibus on our way to the day's adventure.
I've made my seat go back and I don't know how to make it on.
So Joe's cruising. I'm sat up quite straight tomorrow, so I don't think either of us are winning. This is an Icelandic delicacy where they hang fish out. I can stay here. The guy just told me he stays here for up to 2 months. So this is one of the largest lakes in Iceland. It is 90 meters deep, and our guide just told us they don't know how the water gets here, so it's a bit of a mystery. This is amazing. I've never seen anything like it, to be honest. The ground is, yeah, unbelievable. This is the start of the hike. We're here. We're going to walk along this side here, up, back, and there. And there's the crew. Let's go hike a volcano. So exciting. Can't believe it. This is a surprise birthday trip for me. My wife sorted out. I'm turning 21 again. Weird. But yeah, it's absolutely great. Absolutely incredible. Right, Joe? Get everything ready. Oh yeah, no. We are currently hiking up to a volcano. You don't get that in Wales.
You did actually.
It's not on 21. So take that one. To the newest lava field in Iceland, which was August last year. So it's August, and it's still steaming.
And this lava field is only 2 years old. And you can see also everywhere around us all volcanic origin. Very old lava also. It may be 10,000 years. And this one is 2 years old. And of course you can step on it if you want.
Incredible. Mad. So cool.
And all these colored dots is signs some earthquakes around Iceland. And this right very well the mid-Atlantic ridge under us, Iceland. And this is a very frequented zone. It's create a cave or lava tower. And also under us maybe it's not so stable. Yes, don't stay on.
No.
This way, yeah, this way also. Move there.
Oh yeah, you can see. Yeah, and break away.
And it's easier to falling down.
And then you'll just melt.
And yes, in Iceland you can find a few lava tunnels around everywhere. I guess the biggest 300 meter long and 30 meter high.
Wow.
You can imagine. Under the lava field.
So we're walking up an active volcano. Absolutely amazing.
The sea is many different species together.
Oh.
And also this white one, this is not a bird shit. This is the first step to the Icelandic moss. You can see it start like this and after move like this, growing, and after turn to green. Black because it's burned by the heat of the lava. Stop somewhere between, and before they don't use a very good GPS and weather forecast, and sometimes they hit the hills in this side. And we have a airplane record.
It's at the top of the volcano now.
Yeah, it's over this path. We're on top of the volcano, that's over there.
Oh. Not sure if you can see it or not, but there's the crater over there in the distance. If it goes boom, that's where it's going to boom from. Hopefully it don't go boom. Absolutely incredible. Casually just walking on the top of a volcano. Like.